Today, taking down that tree. It's hollow.
You could just climb in there, Cal.
Wow, very hollow up there. Wow. So once he's wrapping the rope around the tree and Toby's helping him pass up. That's all of the cables and entertaining us.
Can I pull yet? No, not for the moment.
So I'm not entirely sure whether I might volunteer to drive the tractor or not, to be fair. It looks like there's plenty clearance, but it's a big monster of a tree. This is a 40 or 50 metre cable, so it should be safe to be in here and pull it down. This is chainsaw madness. Can't see from here, but there are phone wires to the side. The guys are wiring this tree to this tree. This is as high as I go, just to make things more exciting. In addition to the tractor behind me and the wire to the side, up there between those two V's, I'm not going any higher, is a hornet's nest.
You can hear it?
Look.
You think when we have
Okay, there's a break in the weather. I'm so happy. I had to stop yesterday because the wind came up and it would have been too difficult to take down the tree. So today we're starting again and I'm so excited. I can actually wear clothes. The break in the weather has brought the temperature down so much. I can wear clothes today. It makes such a difference. I've even got socks on.
what you make a wedge cut here. So if hang on, we want it to go this way. So
this winch is chained underneath the tractor to this tree over here. So this should keep the tractor still. And then this winch is obviously attached to this tree here.
to me it's too complicated. Don't do this.
Oh no. Wow. And it's my job to blow the whistle when that wedge comes out. There. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, he's going, he's going. Jesus. What a monster. Wow. Look at that. It doesn't look big now it's down. It's as tall as a human. That's enormous, isn't it?
Timber!
Yeah.